Hi, this is Sunil T from Masala Radio, and I spoke to Varun Dhawan this morning. And here are some clips of my interview with him about Dream Team, the star show that's coming to Houston August 12th at the Toyota Center by Rajinder of Star Promotions. And here's Varun Dhawan on Masala Radio.
Masala Radio.
तुम्ही ज्या वोडाफोन उपभोक्त्याला कॉल केला आहे त्याने तुमचा कॉल होल्डवर ठेवला आहे. The Vodafone
Hello?
Hey Varun, Sunil here.
Hey Sunil, how's it going?
Good, from Masala Radio in Houston, Texas. This is our first stop for the Dream Team tour. We're all looking forward to it, man.
No, same here. Very, very excited to be in Houston. And I remember watching on TV a WrestleMania which happened in Houston in Texas. And one of my favorite wrestlers, Stone Cold Steve Austin, is from Texas as well. So I'm really excited to go to Houston and say, Houston, we have a problem because the Dream Team is there.
Houston, we got a problem. Yeah, Dream Team is here. It's going to be such a big stage. And to rehearse with so many artists on a big stage, how do you rehearse for this?
So see, we have in India, because we have so many shows, so we have a lot of we have a lot of rehearsal centers. But obviously, because we are rehearsing for the Toyota Center now, the venue on 12th August, where the Dream Team is going to perform for the first time. So we've booked out a studio in YRF, in Yashraj Studios, and we're going to do a full technical rehearsal over there in India. Then we're going to fly down to Houston, and 2 or 3 days before the performance, there'll be another technical performance with all the artists in the Toyota Center, in the Toyota venue, with closed doors. And then 12th August, the doors will open and all of us are going to be there and perform and try to put on the best show for you guys.
With you and Siddharth, Alia, Pariniti, Adi, and Sexy Katrina, you got so many dances. It's going to be one crazy party. But it takes a lot more than just song and dance to make a show memorable.
Definitely, it takes a lot more. It takes a lot of effort, and we've got a really good team in place to make things good. And what we're trying to do is, make this show very different from the other shows that you guys have seen in America or witnessed in America. The choreography is going to be different. The dancing is going to be different. There's a huge influence of hip-hop in Bollywood. There's Bolly hip-hop. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
So, I'll be performing to that. I'm going to be doing a lot of popular tracks right from Saturday to Tenu Samjhava, to Ji Karda, to Palat, to even more recently some of the Dilwale tracks. So I think, but the setup is going to be very, very different from what and how usually you are used to the Bollywood performances in America. Because we are a newer generation, we're trying to come there and give you all something new and something exciting.
Star shows are not happening anymore. A lot of singing shows. The last one was Rajinder when he brought the Shah Rukh Khan show. I miss it. I miss the production. I miss the big stage. I miss the actors. I miss the girls screaming. And I think this particular show, everybody's getting involved. Families, young kids, parents, grandparents. And I imagine this to be a family show because a lot of the young kids are coming out.
So definitely, I think, with this new generation that I'm a part of, the idea is to get the youth involved and the whole huge Indian, Pakistani, Sri Lankan, Bangladeshi, the Asian community over there in America involved with this tour. But having said that, we don't want to leave out anyone else. We want all age groups to come out. We want all the parents, all the Masis, Masas, Chacha, Chachis, Abu, Ammis. We want everyone to come out. And we've got a little bit in store for everyone. And we're going to make, I'm doing a special act where I'm dedicating it to all the mothers who are going to be watching the show.
How cool.
So there's something special we're going to do for everyone,
A lot of Gujaratis in Houston. You said Masi and Masa. Houston ma Gujarati bau che. Do you speak any Gujarati?
I speak a little bit of Gujarati. My bhabhi is Gujarati, so I eat a lot of Gujarati food at home now. But I'm going to come up with some Gujarati lines now that you said that. I'm going to be coming up with some Gujarati catchphrases for the crowd over there.
Halo re halo. Like everybody, all Gujarati.
Halo re halo.
Exactly. Halo re halo means let's go, let's have a good...
Halo re halo. Halo re halo, Houston.
All these young guys, you and Ali and all these young guys. And then you got Katrina.
Tarak Mehta in Houston.
Oh, of course.
Oh, you'll do?
Tarak Mehta is one of the most popular with everybody, with the kids also.
So I'm going to promote Dishum on Tarak Mehta now to meet Jethalal. So I'm going to tell him this.
Tough cop in Dishum, huh?
Thank you. I hope Houston goes and watches that. That'll be before I.
To Dishum.
Correct.
Oh,
correct.
dude.
You got it right.
That song just dropped a couple of days ago on my virtual DJ, and I've been jamming to that song every day on the radio.
So you're recording this live?
Of course, bro. Jinder Binder, my friend Rajinder from Star Promotions, called me this morning and said, hey, Varun Dhawan can talk to you. He's shooting right now, but he's got 10 minutes. Give him a call. So that's what I'm doing. I had no idea. I had no questions prepared, but I am recording you right now.
So I'll give you something maybe which you can play. I'll do a rap for you.
Okay, I'd love it.
मुझे याद है वो बातें मेरे बचपन की, डैडी कहते थे खोटा सिक्का चलेगा नहीं, मम्मी प्यार से खिलाती दाल चावल और दही, माँ के हाथों का वो प्यार 5 स्टार में नहीं, मर मर के मिली कॉलेज डिग्री, मेरी जॉब एक ट्रेजेडी है, जोक सैलरी, एक लड़की मिली थी वो भी डम कर गई, डम होने को बैठा हूँ कोई मिले तो सही ह्यूस्टन.
What the hell, dude? So you're a dancer, rapper, actor, all in one.
All the love that Houston's giving, it's all for them.
Katrina is one of these senior, I guess, she's like the senior of all of you guys in there.
Yeah.
So do you call her Katrina? Do you call her Cat? Do you call her Auntie? What do you call her?
I think she'd slap me if I call her auntie, but I call her Cat.
You call her Cat?
Time and time. I don't want to mess with her because...
Yeah, that's one person you definitely don't want to mess with because सल्लू आएंगे और बोलेंगे हे वरुण हम सुल्तान है और हमसे पंगा मत लो तुम्हारी भाभी से ज्यादा बात मत करो. So do you have a dance with her? Do you have a romantic moment with her on stage?
Me and she are supposed to do some kind of a thing, a gig on stage, and it'll be exciting for people to see me and her together performing together. So yeah, we're gonna do something together. Katrina, I think she's senior, so one of the most exclusive, one of the most hottest women we have here right now. So she's coming there. So hope all the boys are ready.
So Miss Katrina Kaif, is she chill? Is she aloof? Is she friendly on the set? How is she?
She's quite a workaholic and she's quite a perfectionist actually, for that matter. So I think you need to, if she likes you, she's really chilled out. But you don't want to get on her wrong side, I guess.
Yeah, everybody in Mumbai knows about that. Don't get on her bad side. Even Salman Bhai is found out. Don't piss Katrina off. But, on stage, she's amazing. She's a professional. And she keeps it real. She keeps it fun. She's a great dancer. So it's going to be you, Katrina, Alia, Parineeti, Siddharth, Aditya Roy Kapoor and Karan Johar. Who's like the goofiest one among all these guys?
I think definitely the goofiest one will be Aditya Roy Kapoor, the Ashiki boy. And... He's goofy, but he's cool as well. There's Siddharth, who's a little shy, I think, but he's become so good on the stage now, and I know he has a huge female fan following. And Alia obviously is a superstar, and so is Parineeti, and there's Badshah coming as well, and I'm sure he has a huge fan following in Houston with all the songs.
I mean, every single song, every single new song, either it's Badshah or Honey Singh, and they're all talking about vodka. Right. Who can drink 4 bottles of vodka in a night?
Who drinks that? I don't know, but we're going to ask Badshah that in Houston, that who writes this and who drinks this much alcohol? Please tell us. And when you drink so much alcohol, how do you even party? How do you even stay up? How do you even stand?
Maybe he's talking about those 4 small bottles of vodka you get on the plane. Choti wali.
Definitely the miniature bottles. Definitely the miniature. I'm going to tell him that तुम लोग miniature vodka bottle पी रहे हो और लोगों को idiot बनाते हो.
I like the song Tera Hero. All the songs about alcohol and sharab, I just gotten too much now. It's just too much about...
I luckily haven't done any of those because, I'm popular with children, so I try and stay away from them in any case. One
thing I heard about, there was a guy who was in a Shamak Davar. He was one of the instructors, Lester Fernandez, I think. He was here.
Okay. Yeah, I know Lester.
He was talking about you. I don't know how. We were just talking, and he said that guy Varun, he was one of the most down-to-earth, decent, sweet, no air, no hang-ups. My dad is David Dhawan, and ye ne wo ne.
Yeah, man. I just guess. I guess we're growing up in a new world where, there's anyway so much of violence and hatred all around us. So I think being good to people is cool, and being nice to people and bringing a smile on people's faces is something I enjoy. Being and performing in front of fans, crowds is something I love. So, I just try to keep it as real as possible.
Camera ke samne acting karna is different. It's a controlled environment. But in a live show, 10,000 people. Rajinder of Star Promotion presents Dream Team. First stop in Houston, August 12th. Can you imagine the scene, the vibe, the party, the rush?
It's something else. And I can't wait to experience this. To be very honest with you, it's my first time I'm going to be performing in America. First time I'm performing in Houston. So I have no idea how people are going to even react to me. I don't even know how much people know me or how much people like me or even dislike me for that matter. So it's something that I need to see, and I'm going to kind of drive off the energy of the crowd and try to get them going and try to make this like the biggest party in Houston for everyone who attends this.
Dude, you are popular in Houston. You dance well, you act well, you down to earth, you're handsome. All the chicks dig you. Sabka dhyan kidhar hai? Stage pe jahan hero udhar hai. That's what it has to be. It has to be a party.
Exactly. This one's going to be a party. Karan Johar's coming with us. and he's amazing with live audiences.
Yeah, he is.
So, I mean, he's going to do his thing. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to be dancing. I'm going to be dancing in the crowd, with the crowd, on stage, all around.
जश्नेबाजी की शाम होगी और तिरकिट ताल पे ठुमके लगाएगी आलिया भट्ट। आदि की शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन होगी। वरुण दीवाना होगा, कटरीना शौकीन होगी। दुनिया जलती है तो जले। रात भर ड्रीम टीम के साथ नाचेगा सारा टेक्सास। And this would not be possible without my friend Rajinder of Star Promotions. He's the one working day and night to make sure this show is a success. Ads are on all radio stations, all newspapers, all TV channels. Houston, Dallas, Austin, San Antonio. एक कोना नहीं छोड़ा राजेंद्र ने। वरुण, वो आपके लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आप लोग स्टार लोग हैं और टेक्सास में आपकी शान बढ़ा रहे हैं। और वो हमारे लिए, हमारे कम्युनिटी के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं एक ऐसा शो देकर जिसको देखकर सारा टेक्सास नाच उठे।
Big shout out to Rajinder for getting us to do this and getting us down there. And yeah, like you said, we all want this to work and make this a success. So I mean, I just want to tell people out there in Houston, where anyone and everyone who's listening up to you over here, please come watch the show. We're going to try and put on the biggest party in Houston we can. Try and dance with you guys, enjoy with you, play your favorite songs, and just have fun. You know, just have good old clean Bollywood fun and get you back to your roots.
This is a family show. Bring your kids, bring your little ones, bring your 5-year-old.
Bring your little ones, bring your big ones, bring your girlfriends, boyfriends, dogs, get them all.
So listen, if I could give you one line to say to Houston, what would it be?
Hey guys, this is Varun Dhawan, and I'm going to be in Houston on August 12th at the Toyota Center, and Rajinder from Star Promotions is doing the show. So come out there, buy your tickets, be there August 12th. The dream team is going to be there. I'm going to be there, and just perform and work really hard so I can come and entertain you guys over there in the US of A.
आओ हम सब मिलकर राजेंद्र को सपोर्ट करते हैं और शो को हिट बनाते हैं। टेक्सास वालों, साथ मिलके एक फैमिली बनके जश्न मनाते हैं।
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है। तिरकिट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए जालिमा।
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई, तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई। दुनिया जलती है तो चले, दुनिया जलती है तो चले। रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे जालिमा।
मसाला